Use the investment material at room temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Only in this case is correct expansion control and a setting time of 20 minutes guaranteed. At lower temperatures, for example when stored in the refrigerator, setting time and setting speed are prolonged. If the temperature is higher, the time is shortened. First mix the liquid and powder by hand with a clean spatula, not a plaster spatula. Mix the investment material under vacuum for 60 seconds. The processing time is 6 minutes at a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius, from the start of mixing. Embedding takes place under low vibration. As soon as the ring is full, stop the vibration process and do not touch the ring until the setting phase is completed. The total setting time, starting with the mixing process, is 20 minutes at a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. After a setting time of 15 minutes, the ring can be removed and the investment material can completely harden. Before placing the cylinder in the preheated furnace at the final temperature after 20 minutes, the surface should be roughened with a sharp knife. This improves degassing and prevents cracks in the investment material. In addition, the cylinder should be very hot when it is placed in the preheated furnace. Place the cylinder in a preheated furnace with the pouring funnel facing down. If possible, on a ribbed base plate. The holding time in the furnace depends on the size of the muffle.